During a natural resource and economic seminar presentation at PNG NRI, a visiting professor to the University of Papua New Guinea, Professor Martin Davies, highlighted the 4 different phases of mining projects in the country. Professor Davies says during the 4 phases, it causes boom as well as a fall in the economy of the country.
So as we move between these different phases, and we can think of 4 phases in the resource project cycle. We have the investment phase, so this is where we're building a whole lot of new infrastructure, improving roads, bridges, maybe building airports, putting pipelines in, etc. We can think back to PNG, LNG for this. That's the source of a boom. That causes a boom in the country. All right, so we need to think about policies which mitigate the impact of that.
Professor Davies says the only time the country, including the resource owners, benefit more is during the revenue and investment stages of the mine. And after that, the economy suffers when the mining ends.
Coming in, we're producing the oil, gas, gold, copper, etc. Then we move into a final stage where the project starts to die. Its yields go down, the resource becomes exhausted. And that boom that's caused by the 3rd phase, where we've got lots of revenue coming in, ends. So this is another source of instability.
With this highlighted, the Executive Manager for Development Coordination Division for MRA, Andrew Gunia, said MRA has sustainability plans to cater for resource owners.
But then there has to be a replica economy. So we're creating another program, so we bring in agriculture in, or we bring in some sort of a tourism program in. So when the mine finishes, those program kicks in, the economy is sustained.
Although the MRA has a plan in place, Professor Davies says it is still important to save throughout all the phases.
Which brings in foreign exchange. What you should do is save them in a sovereign wealth fund offshore. So that channel, you break that channel. You don't actually bring the revenues in, you save them, and then you have this ability to create also some intergenerational equity. So there's a sort of a 2 benefits in that policy.
The Mineral Resource Authority is a government institute established to regulate, grow and sustainably manage the mining industry to maximize mineral export revenue for PNG. Cynthia Maku, National EMTV News.